Riley's a member of Kiss. look at her.
Dude, you throw a whole sandwich away?
Yeah, it's old lunch.
Alright guys, vlog episode number 3. Let's go see what the guys are doing.
Check engine light diag.
On the F82 M4.
Yep, and just go over the whole vehicle for the customer. Rear diff bushings are never gonna go bad on these on higher mileage. So when you start to make power of these, you gotta watch it.
You know what else you have to do with these?
Get a new color.
Yeah, that's a good point. But this being S55 crank hubs.
Catalyst downpipes on it.
It's got what now?
Catalyst downpipes on it, not by us.
By somebody else.
This color.
You love the color?
I'm sorry, I didn't know you were recording. It's a beautiful color.
The front badge, Mike.
It says M3. It's got an M3 badge up front, M4 in the back.
They don't know what the it is.
What engine's this?
This is the Supra B58.
Oh, I'm an idiot.
This one, you can bleep this out, but it's a motor that has, I don't know, 15 hours on it. So we were just gonna replace the head gasket, and it's just like a cut ring head gasket, and I don't really like those anymore. We're gonna try the thicker version of the OE gasket, and we're gonna see if we have any better luck of this block sealing up than we did last time, because this one just puked cooling out both sides of the block.
Oh yeah, you can see it.
So yeah, it was leaking out over there, it was leaking out over here, and I got a new gasket from I measured the rings and I didn't really like it, so I decided to pivot. Since we're running ethanol, like race ethanol all the time only, probably gonna have a compression increase because that was a pretty thick gasket and we're going down quite a bit. There's gonna be some compression gain there. We'll just have to take it easy on cylinder pressures. I think we're gonna have better luck with that, with a stock MLS gasket versus this cut ring thing. It obviously didn't work last time, so this time we're
hoping it will last more than 15 hours.
Yeah. So new stud, new head gasket. Hopefully we can get it to stay down. We're not going to go too crazy with it. I mean, we're going to be running probably in that 700 to 800 wheel range. And with better control, better ECU and stuff, we hopefully can keep it nicely together. It's the goal, I think. So yeah, just trying to piece this thing back together and get this back in the car so I can find out if this transmission fits or not.
Oh yeah, because it has the sequential in, right?
Which that's a whole nother thing. I had a pedestal sitting up on my desk. Basically, it pushes the throwout bearing too far into the clutch here, so I need to shorten the. That's the end piece, but there's a piece that goes behind that.
Right.
I got to machine that down a little bit so that we have some more clearance up there and can actually bolt this thing together.
So you did a brake flush, that's it.
And an oil change, and now we're gonna figure out why it looks like a cigar lounge coming out of the tailpipe.
Injector?
I'm gonna say Turbski.
Turbski.
That's what we gotta find out.
I know all about the bushing life. I press them in, I press them out. I grind things, I chisel things. I'm just nutting, bolting, torquing.
Are you welding today?
I guess.
Make sure you change all the settings on his welder.
I would love to. He hates this welder.
For when he comes back. What is the technical
Camera
term
comes
for
out.
this?
MIG welding.
Welding.
Well, no shit, but I mean, what? No, what? No, I mean what we talked about yesterday, because it's not like subframe reinforcement. It's the
rear axle carrier panel. So you can see the whole
that's
panel.
what it is.
You can see where the whole thing's welded in all the way along this seam. So you can actually replace this entire floor panel. They don't make it anymore, but you could at one point.
And now you just do these plates.
Now we just weld in the plates, yeah. So basically there's little square boxes inside here that have the threaded piece where the bolts go into.
Yeah, for the subframe.
That box breaks apart inside the frame, and then that just beats the shit out of it until it rips everything apart.
Okay.
So that's why we do this. So this ties into that box on this surface and this surface, and then we weld the rear ones from the top as well. They make reinforcement kits to weld the top of the front ones. Way more involved to get up here, but I've done them. Usually this is enough to like stabilize that and
prevent it from getting
worse. If you weld
worse.
the stuff on top, it's typically, I haven't had another one fail again afterwards, so I think that's saying something. 150 later.
What's up, Alex?
Got the answer to our question.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Bad turbo?
Not in fact what you want. Focus.
Focus. So that is why it's smoking. What was your term for it before?
Looks like a cigar lounge coming out of the tailpipe.
Cigar lounge out of the exhaust.
Yeah.
Or something.
Something like that. Smoked up the whole shop for like 10 minutes.
All right, guys, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.